Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to properly insert the SIM card or remove existing SIM card off your iPhone 12 mini or any iPhones that you have. This is an updated video to show you guys how to do this since Apple has changed this method from the previous generation of iPhones. Things slightly have changed and we're going to show you guys how to go about doing it the proper way. But before we go ahead and get started with today's video, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news reviews and giveaways. Also, if you guys are in the market for one of these devices at a discounted rate, make sure you check out the links in the description section. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. First thing, of course, you'll need your phone in your hand and your SIM card. If you don't have a SIM card, you want to go ask your carrier for a SIM card. If you have a SIM card on the old phone, take it out of the old phone. And you might already have a new SIM card in the phone depending on what kind of phone you have received. So that's one thing. There's also a couple things you want to note, especially around putting a SIM card into a phone, is that will that SIM card actually work or be compatible with the phone? We're going to explain that in a second. But in your back pocket, you probably seen this little instruction pamphlet that comes with every iPhone. People throw this away, but it's probably not a good idea to throw it away. You want to keep that because that tool that you see right here, that metal piece, is actually called a SIM-ejector tool. This is really important, especially to remove the SIM card. And by any chance, if you probably threw it away or lost it or simply don't have it or can't locate it, you can also take a paper clip, bend it, use that, or a earring piece that's old that you don't mind if it breaks or something. Anything will work. Essentially, you want to get a size of anything that's pointy like this that will fit into the SIM hole that we have on the iPhone 12 mini here. As you see here, the iPhone 12 mini here, we haven't powered it on, but if it's powered on, that's fine as well. In the previous generation, the SIM card used to be on the right hand side, but Apple has moved it away because of the 5G antenna. Now it's going to be on the left hand side, and you'll notice on the left hand side where the volume are all the way in the bottom here, it's going to be this little hole and that shading. That's a SIM tray. We want to take that SIM ejector tray, simply insert it firmly into that hole and just push it in until you hear a little pop, and the SIM ejector tool should have popped out to your SIM card tray. As you can see, there's a SIM card already in this device already. So we have one here, but let's say it wasn't there. You can simply take out that one. Or if you already have one in there, what you can do is to activate your phone, you can simply call up your carrier and give him that SIM card number. There might be a SIM card right there, or it's already activated on your account that if you bought it through a carrier, they already know. You won't even have to do this step. But if it's not there and you're putting it from an existing phone, you simply want to put that in there like this. So you'll notice here, if you take the SIM tray, it's going to lay where the metal or the copper piece is facing forward, and you'll see there's a edge cut corner right here. You want to match up that cut corner together and simply lay it down till it's flushed against that thing. So as you can see, it's a little tricky, so you're gonna have to take your time to do this and then line it up again. You'll be very gentle with it. It's gonna sit flush, and once it sits flush, same thing again. The way we took it out, we're gonna simply take the phone, line up that hole, and then line it up with this SIM tray, and simply we're going to slide it in and then press it in. It should go in nice and easy, and it should be flushed against the side here flat. It shouldn't pop out or anything like that. And now you have successfully inserted or installed the SIM card. The next thing to do from here on is go ahead and power on your device. To power on the iPhone 12 mini or any of the iPhones, you're just going to hold this side button here. Keep on holding it until you see the Apple logo pop up. Once the Apple logo pops up, simply let go and the phone should be booting up to the main screen, and hopefully the phone reads your SIM card and you're good to go. Couple things here. After you inserted the SIM card, you're going to want to slide that tab down right here. So you're going to want to slide this down. It's going to say searching or already show you your carrier. If it shows your carrier there, it's good to go. This one doesn't have service because the SIM card doesn't have service. That's why we see that message. But yours probably going to show up your carrier if it's good. And if you see no service there like we saw here, you're going to go ahead and want to call up your company or the carrier that you're getting phone service from them. Let them know that, hey, you inserted the SIM card into the phone, but you're not getting service. They'll most likely have to do something on their end to activate the device. Couple things about inserting a SIM card that you guys need to know is that if the phone is locked to a specific carrier, let's say you have AT&T, T-Mobile, or other carrier, and it's locked to that carrier, that means that phone can only be used on that network. So you need a SIM card from that carrier. You won't be able to put another SIM card from another company or carrier. But if you get the phone unlocked, or if it's already an unlocked phone, you should be able to use it on any carrier. So you can take out the SIM card, move from one carrier to another, or even if you travel internationally, you should be able to take it out of the country and use it in that country by simply purchasing another SIM card. The way to check if a phone is unlocked or not, there's a couple ways, and we show you guys that in another video we posted. We're going to leave that link in either the comment section or the description section, so make sure you guys check that out to see if your phone has been unlocked or not. You can also contact your carrier if you paid off the phone, and they should be able to help you unlock the phone. And once you get the phone unlocked, or if you ever buy a phone, it's better to buy unlocked phones because you have that flexibility to move from carrier to carrier without having any issues. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys looking to install or remove your SIM card on the iPhone 12 mini or any iPhones. If you guys have any questions or comments, or leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.